Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. Now brace for disruptions. NWC staff unions issue strike notice to management. Also this evening, police officer expresses health concerns as criminal networks expand. And man arrested and illegal gun seized after police military operation in St. Elizabeth to find prison escapees. In sports, it's the penultimate day of the National Senior Trials. We'll have coverage, plus Romain will have your weather. So stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.